Hi guys, so after installing Microsoft uh, database management, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, then I realized that if I want to connect, I have this uh, thing of server name not being available. So when I browse more, I see that I don't have any um, servers available. So in this video, we are going to look at how to create this server to come on. The next thing you want to do is to go to the microsoft.com slash enus SQL server downloads. So go to the downloads platform and you go to you go here because we want to download the free specialized edition for developers. So when you click on download, you would see a pop-up which will download the first, because I've downloaded this, so I don't have to download it again. Then when you click on the downloads, and after installation you will be faced with this user interface, and then now you can click on download media, or you go on custom, and this custom will ask you to specify SQL Server media download target location. So this is a download from the SQL Server, your installer, and then now you can select where you can select install, and you should be able to start installing. Okay, so once it has finished installing, then once it has finished downloading, then you can go ahead and click on, this is the SQL Server Installation Center. So you can click on the planning, and then you click on okay, so which should take you to the requirements for installing of this. So but our concern would be under installation. So here we'll be installing new SQL Server standalone installation here. And here it asks that you should specify a free edition, and this is it. So let's go in, and here we're going to accept and go ahead. Alright, so this is done. Alright, so let's click on next again. Okay, so I click on next again. So we're not going to include Azure extension. Alright, good. So here we are. Now it's going to install into our root directory. Here that's database engine, right? So click on next. And our instance ID would be Microsoft server directory with this. So let's click on next. So let's click on next. Windows authentication. Yeah, let's click on next. Validation error. So let's see what is. So you can add current user, right? And then click on next. And here we are. Let's install. Okay, so it says install successful. So let's close this. And now when we go ahead and try to connect our studio, our Microsoft Studio, let's see. Let's try and connect our Microsoft Studio to this. And now you can see browse database engine. Okay, this one, you can okay. Now we have our server name. Okay, so now we can connect and see if our server can respond. Okay, so we have our server responding with our databases security server object, and voila, we can now say that we've installed our server. So if you look at database, you see the default database there. All right, so hope this was helpful, guys. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and also comment on what you feel about the video. All right, thank you so much.